here in northern Massachusetts. We've just installed this Universalift XLT 8000 XLT FP, and our customer has a bass boat, fishing boat here he's storing. Another great use for this. The trailer jack goes right in the jack tray. Use number 3000 for that jack tray. These lifts are really turning into a must-have. I mean, you have the John Deere tractor, you have the plow for the truck, the bass boat, whatever you have, you need a lift. I'm going to start doing infomercials, like Billy Mays. Give us a shout if you need a lift.